KW Master Barber, universal dialogue where you learn and understand more. King or clown, which one are you? Don't carry yourself like a king, but you're really a clown. A king does not disrespect himself and others. A king does not walk around with his pants below his kneecaps. A king does not disrespect women or children. A king does not disrespect his parents. A king does not take a life that's innocent. Kings are leaders, and if you want to be a leader, there's certain qualities you must have to be a leader. You can't walk around and be a clown and expect to become a leader. You can learn along the way. You can make adjustments. You can change if you want to change, but you can't remain a clown. You have to change. Nobody will take you serious if you walking around showing your drawers, pants below your knees, not looking well groomed. You may be intelligent, but you're not showing your intelligence. You already see what's going on. You got eyes, you know what's up. Change the way you present yourself. Don't put on no king t-shirt. Don't misrepresent the word king. Because king is powerful, man. Clowns belong in a circus. So if you want to take the throne, learn to adjust. Make yourself better. Self-improve yourself. Don't look at yourself and say, yeah, I got it all together, because you don't. Learn to be real with yourself and know your weaknesses and make them strong. That's what life is all about. You must grow. To whom much is given, much is required. To be a king is a lot of responsibility. If you can't lead people on a small level, you're not going to lead people on a big level. So may the Lord bless your life, and may the Lord show you who you are and who you need to be, so you can grow into that individual and do great things for yourself and for other people. In Jesus' name, peace.